Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Minecraft for free. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to download Minecraft for free, it is not possible legally for the full version. However, you can still try to get it by going on the official website of Minecraft and simply downloading the trial version. So for PC, Windows, Mac OS or Linux, you can simply visit the official website, that is www.minecraft.net. Try and click on try it for free. Now once you have done this, you can simply choose your platform and follow the instructions to download the trial version. So once you have done this, you can simply get access to the free version of the Minecraft that you have just downloaded. So this way you can do it. I hope you really found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back again really soon with many interesting videos like this.